application of membranes for sludge thickening is a demanding application, but can provide both operational and economic benefits to wastewater treatment plants. A membrane-based sludge thickening process operating in conjunction with aerobic digestion can generate Class B stabilized sludge at concentrations as high as 4% without the use of polymers in significantly smaller overall process footprint. Permeate from the membrane sludge thickener also meets most reuse quality standards, requiring no further treatment. Polymeric flat plate membranes have been successfully operated in sludge thickening applications for over a decade. The rigid plastic plate used in these membrane configurations provides the necessary structural support to withstand the rigors of sludge thickening processes. However, there are limitations to this technology in terms of both flux and mechanical damage from coarse solids. Sludge thickening with silicon carbide ceramic membranes offer many distinct operational and process advantages. Silicon carbide membranes have hydrophilic properties which provide 3 to 5 times higher flux rate compared to polymeric membranes. The silicon carbide membranes have excellent durability, which provides many operational advantages, such as being completely resistant to abrasion or mechanical damage from coarse solids. The durability of silicon carbide membranes provides higher chemical and temperature tolerance, which allows more cleaning methods to be available. Sludge dewatering does not occur often in a membrane thickening system. However, it presents operational and process challenges. The maintenance required to clean dewatered sludge off polymeric membranes can be very time-consuming and extremely labor-intensive.
One of the things that I'm always asked during training is, when we have a dewatering event, can we use a pressure washer on membranes? Or a 1.5 to 2-inch fire hose, or their high pressure non-potable source. Most plants have that. With the polymerics, you cannot use either one of them because you will damage the membranes. With the 200 plate cassette of the polymeric, it took us about 2 days to fully disassemble, clean, and then reassemble. Their recommended cleaning is you get a plastic putty knife and you have to scrape both sides of the plate.
In contrast to polymeric membranes, the superior durability of the silicon carbide membranes allows a pressure washer to clean dewatered sludge off the plates without any physical damage. The availability of this cleaning method offered by the silicon carbide membranes substantially reduces sludge dewatering maintenance by making it more simplified and less labor-intensive.
With the ceramic, you just need a little bit of space underneath them to allow the sludge to disperse, but you can hit it with that hose. No problem, you're not gonna break them. These are durable plates, so you can just really get after the pressure washer. 30 minutes, you can have this whole tower completely clean. Give it another 30 minutes to assemble it, and then you're ready to put it back in service.